Can I flex? Yes, yes, oh my god. 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 Can I flex? Yes, yes. Can I flex? Yes, yes. Can I flex? Yes, yes, oh my god. Can I flex? Yes, yes. Can I flex? Yes, yes. Can I flex? Yes, yes, oh my god. Smoke super, who got the flame for your hooker? I'm the gas man for the cook-up. Don't stress, we just getting prepped for a little flex now. You want some of this? Put the motherfucking check down. Oh my god, oh my goodness, oh my grace. Wildin' out in the hood like every motherfucking day. We the party clique, flexing that all the way from the bottom shit. If your hatred hasn't dropped, we make sure your body did.
Press for all the flex. And do my bit on my eye, do my eye, we just getting pressed for all the flex. And do my bit on my eye, do my eye.
Haters gon' talk, but still hating in the end. No need for approval to find my own brain. Success is my language, I speak it unchained. Confidence, self-love redefined. I'm the blueprint, you know, but we're fine. The boss in the game, ain't nobody like me. If you're looking for the sauce, I got the recipe.
Hope they all got umbrellas. Y'all don't fit in, call them all Cinderellas. And I heard your last dog, you can do better.